All right, what we have here is a 2001 Mack model CL713. Great truck right here. It's an owner operator. He's owned it since 2017, and he's been the solo owner of this truck and has run it here locally in Charlotte. He's selling this truck because he's moving back to Florida, and he no longer needs it. He's actually looking to upgrade to an automatic, and he's going to run some stuff in Florida. But a little bit about this truck. I'll have more details in the ad, but for right now, I've got some stuff that I'll mention in the video. Of course, right now you can hear it running. A great truck. It's had a new engine on it, a new Re-Mack engine, 50K on it right now. Brand new engine. A lot of other work's been done to it. The tri-axles, the drop axles working just fine. He's had new bags and new spring. I can probably try to zoom in on that and let you see it, but all these springs have been new and the bags are new. New batteries are in this one, new alternator, AC belt. Like I mentioned, the drop axles, 100%. Good new batteries they replaced about a year ago. This owner has every bit of paperwork you can imagine. All the maintenance work's been done for this truck. All the paperwork is included, and we can provide that with the sale or any inquiry. One thing he does have to do is work on the tarp, which is not anything heavy duty. It just has to get the engine, the motor going on the tarp, and fix some places that are torn in there. The bed's good. We're gonna pause this video just a second here and let you see how the bed goes up and down, and I'll also get some interiors. This truck does have a Jake brake, new drive shaft, new yokes, great tires as I mentioned. The PTO is new, and this thing is DOT clear. DOT does not bother this guy when he's driving it. You know, they've stopped him a few times at job sites while everybody's leaving. He stays there, and he has had no problem at all. Again, great truck. He's been running it just recently, and I finally got a chance to catch up with him when he didn't have work to do, so I can get videos. He's gonna let up the top here, the bed, and we can get a picture of the bed itself. So here it is going up. Shafts has been oiled, lubricated. The lift shaft there. I'll get a good video of that. No leaks on that shaft at all. It's pretty clean. And here's the interior of the bed, or under the bed. I'll get the interior here in a second. As I mentioned, good tires. New springs on the front as well. New front and rear chambers as well. And anything else that I might have mentioned in this ad, I'll make sure or in this video, I'll make sure I put it in the ad. If you have any questions, just let me know. I'm gonna see if you can get a picture of that bed, a visual of that bed. It's like we got a poodle walking around. All right. And again, give me a call if you want to know more about this one. This is 2001 Mack CL13. All paperwork has been included in this one. Great buy, great for a start business, maybe even existing business to add to your fleet. But give me a call, 980-729-4991. That's ZillaMates Heavy Equipment Sales. Oh, let's get an interior shot. Sorry about that before we end this video. All right, here we go. Interior's clean. You can't expect them to be spotless. It's a dump truck, but everything's good on here. I've seen them worse. And as I mentioned, the odometer is going to read a little different than what's actually on the engine. This is a rebuilt Re-Mack's engine, 50K on it. Another thing is the AC compressor's not working. It's blowing, but it's just not blowing cold. So no cracks in the windshields at all. Everything works. All the lights work. As I mentioned, this is DOT cleared, and he's had no problems at all with anything. I'll have the weight specs and everything and stickers as well in the ad. So if you're interested, let me know. 980-729-4991. And again, that's Troy Barzilla, ZillaMates Heavy Equipment.